All right, I'm going to be trying out this Odor Formula Deep Clean washer detergent. This is what the container looks like. Shows the 3 different colors there. Here's what the individual pod looks like. Not sure why it's 3 colors, but you got purple, dark blue, and then that kind of neon bright green. It's soft. Feels like a thick plastic. It's not going to burst on you while you're just handling the thing. Just feels well made. So we're going to throw it in to our washer here. Load up a load of laundry here. Close it up. Turn it on. And we'll see how it turns out. And here they are washing. So far so good. All right, that's done. Let's move it to the dryer. Does smell good, smells fresh. Come back in a little bit. And here they go, round and round and round. All right, clothes are done. So let's check them out. Nice and soft. Smells fresh and clean. Seems like it did the job. I'll keep on using them.